Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to find routes with mapmyrun application. First, you should have your mapmyrun application in your smartphone and then you will sign up and create an account to use the application. I am using now the browser version and I already have my application in my smartphone to find the routes. Here in the dashboard, we will find the routes menu here in this ribbon. After you click on the routes, I will click find routes, or you can just find it here if you have uh, clicked on the routes. So I'm going to find some routes and search any city that you want. For example, uh, and have this search for some routes, and I will have uh, some presets or some already done routes of running. So as you can see, this is another route, or this is a route that I found, or you can go back to the other routes and you can see here all the distance of the routes. And for example, also you can filter uh, distance or add your own filters. For example, search radius, make it city or the neighborhood. The distance can be between an interval of distance. And now I have this route. I will just click like that. Let's view some more details. And I have bookmarked this route. And I will click, for example, on log workout. And I will add it on my workout schedule. Also, you can upload some routes or workouts by from an external file by just uploading it. Let's return back to the routes. Also, you can share this route or add this route to the website, like to upload it to the mapmyrun. So this is how you find the route in mapmyrun. Thank you for watching and goodbye.